Okay, guys, welcome. Hello, how are you? I hope everyone is doing okay this week. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Sorry, I haven't been posting many updates recently, but I've been busy with life and family and many other things. But I promise I will try my best to keep posting as many videos as possible for you guys. I hope you guys help support the channel so I can keep doing this more. As you may know already that if you follow me on Twitter, you know that I'm just a regular guy here trying to help you guys out, learning some basic TA. With that said, today I'm going to do a live BTC analysis. It's not going to take too long, but I'm just going to tell you my projections for the upcoming days, I think. If you follow me on Twitter, you already know what I think about Bitcoin and where it's going for now. But as of now, I'm just gonna try to explain where I see us going for the upcoming days and weeks. So I'm gonna analyze first the 4-hour chart because it's the best chart to analyze for mid to short term action. So first of all, as you can see, we broke up this asymmetrical triangle, this red asymmetrical triangle right here, and Bitcoin broke down, sliced through the 4-hour EMA, tried to retest it again, got rejected, and now we're basically trading at this lower trend line of this huge asymmetrical triangle that we've been in since I think since 19 May. Yeah, since 19 May. And we're actually trading at the lower end of the triangle, which is not very good. It's just basically saying that we're trading at the edge of a Grand Canyon, and we might fall anytime soon. If we were to break out of this asymmetrical triangle, I'm going to do the measure move here for you guys so you can see it. We will probably test around the 24K area region, 24, 25K area region, and if we break up, we'll probably test the 50K region. Uh, Actually, right now, looking at the chart, just without analyzing anything, like Bitcoin doesn't look very good. We're reaching the apex of this asymmetrical triangle, and we're about to break either up or down. Breaking up means breaking above 37,800. Breaking down means breaking below at least 36,000. We're wicking down, which is good. Is basically telling us that we have some buying pressure coming in at these levels right here, which is around the 35K level. But it's not looking that good, to be honest. If we see the squeeze on the 4-hour, we see that we are in the dark red area of the squeeze, and the ADX is curving slightly downwards, so selling pressure is kind of over for now. I'm expecting to go green from now on, which is a slight upward push. I'm not going to say huge upward push because the ADX is curving downward still, so the pressure of buying is not there still. So expect slight upwards movement, maybe till around 37,000. A rejection there might happen, which is also coming in confluence with the 4-hour EMA ribbon, which has been pushing us down for so long right now. I've been telling this to many people. Till I see BTC right above this 4-hour EMA ribbon, I'm still bearish on BTC in the short term and in the midterm, because this 4-hour EMA ribbon has been acting as resistance since our breakdown, as you can see, 3 weeks ago. So it's not looking good. It's not looking good. I'm gonna look at the RSI just for you guys to see if we can find some divergences, but I don't think so. Like looking at the RSI, there's nothing to look at, no hidden divergences anywhere to be spotted, but I can tell you one thing is that this 4-hourly candle is going to close in around an hour. So if this 4-hourly candle goes above 52 on the RSI, so maybe 55 or 56, and we stay under around 37.8, which is this high right here, yeah, around 37, so, or 37.5, let's say, to take an average for that. Yeah, so we'll create a hidden bearish divergence on the RSI, which basically says that we're going to keep trading on slightly downward action or sideways action. So all in all, it's not looking very good. It's looking like BTC is going to break downwards. Now, if it does break downwards, obviously we're not going to break in a sudden straight line and go to 25,000. Well, we're gonna go there gradually. Probably be testing the 30K level first, get a fake rally up, and then go down again. If we go to the MACD on the 4-hour also, by the way, I like to analyze the 4-hour because it's the best time frame to analyze the short term and the midterm moves of a certain token or coin or stock. So you can see we're about to have a bullish divergence on the RSI, on the MACD right here. So crossing bullish with the squeeze also indicating that we're going green. So I'm expecting a few hours, around 12 to 24 hours of slight upside. I'm not going to say huge upside. I don't believe it's going to be huge, but if it's going to be huge, I think the maximum we can reach is around this level right here, which is probably like 37.7. And we're going to find resistance there for sure. Definitely, definitely. If we do break this 37.7 area, I think maybe we can test the 40,000, but I don't see it happening, honestly. Like, it's very unlikely. If it does though happen, and if we see confirmation, which is huge volume, and retest of this previous trend, so we do something like this, we retest again, and then we bounce upwards, then yeah, sure. We can see the 40,000 probably coming into play. But as of now, I'm more bearish than bullish on Bitcoin. I don't see any upward movements. I don't see anything. I don't see any divergences. I'm gonna go to the daily because there's many important things on the daily that are happening that are more important actually than the 4 hour. So on the daily, we're also in this asymmetrical triangle, same area, same region. You can see we're about to break down, and actually we're trading like at the edge of this asymmetrical triangle. Now one can say like, oh, we can adjust this and do this something to play around this area like this, which is also probable, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna try to keep it like that because I think that's the best trend line for this. But you can see we're trading at the lower end. So if we're gonna be bullish on the upcoming days, so before Friday, I think we're gonna probably go up here, retest this area, then probably go down back here. It's either gonna be a breakup or breakdown in this week. Like there's no more time for Bitcoin anymore. Bitcoin is about to break. The one thing I can tell you though is if we go to the squeeze and the ADX on the daily. So this is the most important one, and I'm gonna try to zoom it out, try to fix it. So if you remember my update a while ago on Twitter, I was saying that the squeeze monitor was about to turn green and the ADX is curving downwards, and I said if the squeeze and ADX on the daily curve towards the 0 point, so basically maybe like 2-3 days from now, and we still see Bitcoin consolidating between 38 and 36 and 35, then I'm expecting a huge dump to happen. The only reason I'm saying this is because usually when the squeeze curves fully downward, when the ADX curves fully down and the squeeze turns light green, you usually see a rally happening, or at least some kind of a upward momentum for a few days or weeks. So you can see here like basically what happened here. This is the perfect example right here. So we were about to turn light green, but we were consolidating between this area right here, which was around like 50 to 52 to like 56 or 57,000. So this is basically a small consolidation, and then finally right here the squeeze turned to light green. We still consolidated, we didn't do anything else, and then bam, we dumped like crazy. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. Honestly, I don't see this playing out any further than this week. Like, it's a break it or make it week for Bitcoin. So yeah, if we do break upwards, I'm looking at some resistances here, especially my arc resistance, which is coming in around 45,000. But right now, it's not looking very good for Bitcoin. There's no divergences on the RSI also, especially on the daily. Like, we don't see anything. Actually, on the daily, if I zoom in like this, you can see, let me remove this for you guys. So if you see on the daily, we have a high and we have a higher high. So we have a high here and a lower high, but we have a higher high on the RSI. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Uh, Let me zoom in. So I would not like this, something like that, and then something like this. So that's a hidden bearish divergence on the daily. So it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will try to upload more videos. I'll try to improve the quality. You know, guys, I don't have time for this, but I appreciate your support, and I hope that you help the channel grow as much as possible so I can keep posting this and updating this and making better quality videos for you guys in the future. See you guys next time. Enjoy your week, and I will keep you posted hopefully again soon later this week. Bye-bye, guys.